Sunod pa ang kami na ako din hiling na. Ano pa na?
Dari ka.
Hello eh.
Sa para itong bisag yan eh. Giri. Hong Kong.
Naamay. Kono.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan Cebu International Airport in Lapu-Lapu City. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of our entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Bryce and First Officer Luke, together with your cabin crew team on this flight, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infant, the infant flight vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant life vest inside the seat pocket, and please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. Guests needing assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door. Also, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pocket of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins that we will provide near the exit. Seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. And for guests with onward connecting flight on Cebu Pacific or CEBGO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach your ground personnel upon disembarkation.
ito. Terminal 2.
Once again, for your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Maaari po lamang hintayin mawala ang fasten seatbelt sign bago po tumayo pang kumuha ng mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong maayos na pagsunod.
Two. Parang kung kayo dito.
Dako kayo doon. Ang liberal.
Oh, video.
Coming through this Ambrose Railway, cross check please.
Passengers, please remain seated. This is a cabin crew safety related procedure.
Kadap din na ka.
Kadiotro.
Ang kadiyo talagang pagbiyahan.
Wala pa.
Ato ka sa Manila, kadili na.
Umula na.
It is now safe for you to stand to get your bag.